There are benefits to going to college, and most people, and the research I did said, I asked, what do you go to college for? And they said, it's about getting a better job, it's about making money. But I'm going to go through these and tell you what the research has said about going to college and the benefits of it. I'm going to go very quick. First one, the research says if you go to college, you earn more money, better able to support your kids and your family, you have better job opportunities, you gain better access to health care and lower risk of unemployment, so you know those. But the research also says that women and men who go to college actually live longer lives. They have overall healthier lifestyles. They are less overweight and obese, and lean, which leads to illness and some diseases. Do you know that people that are more educated actually have increased life satisfaction and overall happiness? They become more resilient and less depressed. Do you know that people who go to college, and this is for women too, actually participate more in civic and community activities? They're much more likely to vote. They're twice as likely to donate blood. They're very much more likely to fill leadership positions and volunteer in the community. Do you know that women and men who go to college and get, particularly at the bachelor's degree level, actually give birth to healthier babies? They spend more time reading to their children. They prepare children better academically for school. They have children who participate in extracurricular activities. They provide healthier lifestyles for the children. They have more, an educated woman has more educated sons and more educated daughters. Do you know that when you go to college, you actually develop lifelong learning skills, more intelligence and knowledge, stronger teamwork skills, integrating ideas, writing, verbal, critical thinking, tons and tons of stuff. You have better leadership skills, ethical and moral standards, stronger social skills and self-esteem. I mean, look at those. I know I just opened the fire hose. What I'm saying is, I don't care if your decision is to work outside the home for money, become a CEO, or your decision is to stay home and raise children. Whatever decision, you need to go to college to prepare you to be a better parent, to prepare you to be a better employee if that's what you want, to prepare you to be more ready to contribute to society. All of those came from studies. I hope that you'll think about that, because that is so critical. So, a few final words here. I love this quote, and if you watched The Blind Side, which I love that movie, did you? Some of you watched that? I love this, and it sounds a bit like a religious quote, and it has some of that, but this was not